Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I'll show you how to install and get the add-ons that you can use in your Google Docs to extend the Google Docs functionality. To do that, click over here. It's very easy. Click add-ons, and you can see here document add-ons, get and manage. If you don't have anything, click get add-ons. It will take you to the Google Workspace Marketplace. Let's say you want to edit this, to install this add-on. Just click it, click install, click continue, and click your account, and over here click allow, and we wait for a moment. Okay, click done. Now if I close it and click add-ons, you can see over here math type, document add-ons, manage add-ons. If I click manage add-on, I can click over here, click uninstall, for example, click uninstall. And this is it. This is how you install and uninstall Google Doc add-ons. I hope this was helpful. Let me know in the comments below, and have a nice day. Bye bye.